Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Dodge Ram 1500. Before you begin, ensure your truck is on a flat, stable surface. Always set the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. You will need a reliable hydraulic jack and at least 2 jack stands. If you plan to remove a wheel, loosen its lug nuts by 1 turn while the truck is still on the ground. For the front of your Ram 1500, locate the sturdy frame rail behind the front wheel, near the door level. You can also use the center of the front crossmember as a central lifting point. Carefully raise the truck with your jack until the tire is completely off the ground. Once lifted, place a jack stand securely under each frame rail, then slowly lower the truck onto the stands for stable support. To lift the rear of your Dodge Ram 1500, position your hydraulic jack directly under the center of the rear differential. This allows you to lift both rear wheels at once, making the process more efficient. Raise the truck to your desired working height. Then, place a jack stand securely under each rear axle tube, ensuring they are stable. Gently lower the truck onto these stands, confirming they bear the weight. When you are ready to lower your Ram 1500, use the jack to lift the truck just enough to remove the jack stands. Once the stands are clear, slowly and carefully lower the vehicle completely to the ground. If you removed a wheel, reinstall it and tighten the lug nuts to 135 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Always double-check all connections and store your equipment properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.